Hey everybody, this is Donald, and this video is a post unboxing of some new camera stuff. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this is another little series of unboxing of my camera equipment to upgrade the channel so the audio and video will just get better and more enjoyable for sure. So I'm on my D3200. Found out I got like 8 minutes of record time each segment, so let me get to this. First thing I got added to my camera gear is a 72-inch tripod. They call it an X-It. It's pretty sweet. It's got 2 leveling bubbles on it, and looks pretty good. Comes in this with this bag, carrying bag. Seems to be pretty nice. We'll find out over time how it goes. Put that over there, and here it is. Nice. Feels very nice. It's got a quick release on it. So if I want to pull it off the camera and just go handheld, crank, like I said, it's got 2 levels on it. With the camera focus there, there's one there, and there's one there, so 2 bubbles. 72-inch tall. Let me tell you, my other one was 60, so I had to like put my selfie stick on top to get some taller shots, you know. It's real light. It's got a hook on the bottom so you can weigh it down in windy conditions. That way there it won't knock over your camera stuff. And a nice carrying handle, something to hold on to. Could be a little taller for my liking. Maybe there's some adjustments, but that's it for that. Let's see if I can't squeeze this this package in. This here is just a simple camera cleaning kit. It's got your duster, 2 different style cleaning. There's a cleaning brush. There's your cleaning lens, 2 different sizes. It does come with solutions, and this is a Altura brand. Got my phone, so sorry about that. Some big cleaning cloths, all kind of lenses and cleaners. So camera cleaning stuff is a must. Definitely want to keep your equipment in tip-top condition. So those are those 2 items. Let me reset the camera and go through this next bag. We'll be right back. Hi everybody, we're back on to our second package. Put my glasses on. See how far we can get through this. First thing we'll get here is it was Amazon Prime Day, so got some good deals. I picked up 3 32 gigabyte memory cards. So I'll have lots of storage between my cameras, and my 16s will be my backup. So when I do run out of memory on these 32s, which is going to take a lot, I got plenty of storage right now for starting out. I may pick up a couple more of these. We'll find out. And to go along with that, I got an SD card holder. It will hold 4 SD cards. It's the size of a credit card. Pretty nice. Keep it kind of organized. That's the company, and got a little lariat hole there. You know, hold 4 SD cards. So keep it organized. Like I said, I'll probably order another one of these, and that should be plenty. Let's see, what do we have else here? Is flash. It's aftermarket. It's not a Nikon, but didn't have the money, and you don't really need to buy. It's nice if you got in the budget brand name stuff, but this is a great company. Did a little bit of research. Quick little thing here. It's got a little diffuser box you put over the lens. It makes it like a soft box. Got a extra shutter remote. This was all like in a kit. 2 is 1 and 1 is none, so I have a backup either way. And it comes with 4 AA batteries, Polaroid. Probably be upgrading to rechargeables. We will see about that. So let me get this open. This also comes with a stand, I do believe, to set it behind your subject or on the side or someplace where you want to catch some of those shadow areas. Instructions. Yep, and here's the little stand. You can put it, set it up wherever. You can put it up on a tripod to move around to where you need the flash to work correctly. It's got a comes with a bag, nice, soft bag, looking good, and the flash itself. Nice little unit, and in itself it's got a diffuser and a bounce thing, naturally angled, settings and modes. Like I said, I'll probably be upgrading to rechargeable batteries. Definitely handy to have for sure. So let me put this in here and I'll reset the camera again, and we'll continue on with the envelope there from Amazon. Happy, guys, I'm happy. Alrighty, we'll be right back. Stay tuned. Alrighty, we're back just like that for you guys, and for me it was about a minute or two. So on we go to the final item that I got. Put that up there. Amazon was quick getting this stuff in. It was scheduled for Saturday and I got it on Friday, and I got some on Thursday when I ordered it on Wednesday. So way to go, Amazon. Alrighty, next gonna do the sniff test. Happy. Yep, it's a 50mm lens. Yongo. Hopefully my autofocus is working good. We'll test that all out. Still testing the D3200. Yes, let's not mess around and get it opened yet here. I haven't opened this yet, so cardboard. You got your cleaning cloth. You got your instructions in Japanese. So probably got multiple languages in there. So, and yeah, box wrapped up here. Put that in there. It's a 50mm 1.8 f-stop. Give you that blurred background, bokeh, however they say it. This is a manual and autofocus, and I believe it's a 58mm. Yes, it is 58mm for your filters. Yeah, smooth, nice. There's the white dot. Yeah, smells like great pictures to me, guys. I tell you, I'm gonna have fun with this. This is a 50mm prime lens. Not for the indoor portraits, but more for outdoor kind of use, I do believe. Try it indoors. You can use it indoors, I'm sure. Not the best. 50mm is probably not the best. It has been, but they've come up with using the zoom lens is a better option for portraits. Just kind of what I got on a budget right now, so we'll give it a whirl, try it out, check them out. Good, a good company, and we'll see how it holds up. So yes, happy, guys, happy. I'm happy. I'm ready to get my channel some much needed audio and video upgrades to bring better videos. And now that I got got this going. We'll get back to the tool reviews. Got an upcoming toolbox on my Craftsman coming up, and waiting on MD Lee to get his done. What else? Get back over to the Ombre. Got the motor back from the machine shop, and yeah, get the Ombre going, and just yeah, get back into making some good quality videos for your enjoyment. Alrighty, let me get out of here, get this edited and put together. So appreciate your views, your comments, and any suggestions as always. Y'all stay safe out there, guys, and we'll see you in the next sharp video.